of my being. Then, O my Elohim, in you I have put my trust. Let me not be ashamed, let not my enemies exult over me. Gimel indeed, let no one who waits on you be ashamed. Let those who are treacherous without cause be ashamed. Dalet, show me your ways, O Yahuah. Teach me your paths, and lead me in your truth. Wow, and teach me, for you are the Elohim of my deliverance. On you I wait all the day. Zayin, remember, O Yahuwah, your compassion and your kindness, for they are from everlasting. And do not remember the sins of my youth and my transgressions. According to your kindness, remember me, for your goodness' sake, O Yahuwah. Tet, good and straight is Yahuwah. Therefore he teaches sinners in the way. Yod, he guides the meek ones in right ruling. And he teaches the meek ones his way. Kaf, all the peace of Yahuwah are kindness and truth to those who guard his covenant and his witnesses. Lamed, for your name's sake, O Yahuwah, you shall pardon my wickedness, though it is great. Mem, who then is the man that reveres Yahuwah? He teaches him in the way he should choose. None his life dwells in good, and his seed inherits the earth. Samek, the secret of Yahuwah is those who revere him, and he makes his covenant known to them. Ayin, Mezzo-soprano, for he brings my feet out of the net. Pay, turn your face to me, and show me favor, for I am lonely and afflicted. Sadi, the distresses of my heart have enlarged. Oh, bring me out of my distresses. Resh, look on my affliction and my toil, and lift all my sins. Resh, see how many my enemies have become, and they hate me with a violent hatred. Shido, guard my life and deliver me. Let me not be ashamed, for I take refuge in you. Let integrity and straightness guard me, for I've waited